Some teachers and students of the Government Technical Teachers Training College in Bengwi have been sensitized on the importance and approaches to community-based peace building using the common ground approach to conflict resolution.
They want to go back as peace agents, not so.
The session, which comprised of a series of presentations, demonstrations via indigenous games, amongst others, have been described by a member of the Project Implementation Committee as a need in our present context, as it aims at reducing instances of violence and improvement of the overall learning environment in the school campus.
We have noticed that with the ongoing crisis in the northwest and southwest region of Cameroon, there has been an increase in violence in schools. There has been increase in vandalism, which it goes a long way to harm teachers. You hear of stories of where teachers are being kidnapped, teachers are being tortured, and all of that because the violence has increased. We thought it wise that if we start from working with student teachers and trainers of these student teachers, it's going to go a long way for these student teachers to use the knowledge in the various schools where they will be posted so that they could see how they can work in collaboration with students to reduce conflict and see that they always end up at the win-win solution even when there is conflict. Mother of Hope Cameroon is a member of the Northwest Coalition of the Young Cameroon Project, supervised by Local Youth Corner. This project has been funded by the EU and it has partners with the Search for Common Ground and Minjek.
This session have been described by participants as productive as they are ready to put into practice lessons learned during the session, both on campus and in the society.
What actually interests me in this particular program is it is dwelling with teachers and student teachers, which makes it a predominantly very important point to me because I am a teacher trainer. And the most touching part of it is the degree of violence in our schools this time around. So the knowledge I have gathered from this program will help me to go a long way to be a peace ambassador, the peace breaker, and make everything possible so that the peace we are preaching will not only end within the school community, it will go viral to the neighborhoods, to the divisions, to the regions, and to the nation at large.
As a student of Bengwi or as a student in my country, I attended this program so that I can build peace in my class and also help my classmates so that we can keep learning in a good environment without conflict or war. Secondly, I can tell others how we can build peace in the family and also in the quarter.
The project, which is being sponsored by the European Union through the Young Cameroon Project, has as purpose to engage youth-led organizations in fostering peace building using the common ground approach in conflict resolution. The organizations constituting the implementation committee are Zuma Africa, Mother of Hope Cameroon, Reconciliation and Development Association, RADA, ASOWIP, and Watchman Relief Association Global.